Hello guys, my name is Bisscute and welcome back to my channel. Very happy to have you all here and I hope you're looking forward to today's reaction because we are checking, and I might be struggling with the name, Tedeschi Trucks Band with the song Midnight in Harlem. Now this is a live performance on E-Town, which I assume it's like a radio show maybe or something similar to that, but we're gonna be experiencing this for the very first time together, so I hope you guys get to enjoy it. Consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't by now, and this is the very first time you see me, because I do be reacting to quite a lot of music from different genres, from different times, for me and for you guys. Now let me put this on screen, go to the reaction corner, and let's have some fun. Let's see. Maybe it's theater? Do I have subs? I don't have subs. I'll manage. I like this slidey thingy. Okay, it starts off as sweet and summery maybe even.
Well, I came to the city.
Okay, alright.
I was running from the pain.
Can I say something like just starting? I love the vibe. I like what I don't know what's around them. It seems just like so calm, so laid back, just people doing something that they love. I like this calmness. Now I don't know anything about the band, and this is the very first time I'm reacting to them, but they seem like very laid back individual just based on the first 2 minutes.
From the pain. My heart was bleeding, and it hurt my bones to lay. Staying in the city, no exception to the rules, to the rules. He was born to love me. I was raised to be his fool, his fool. Walk that line, turn apart. Gotta spend your whole life trying. Ride that train, and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem. I went down to the river,
To the river.
and I took a look around. more secrets, no more clues, no more clues. The stars around there, you can almost see the moon. The streets are windy, and the subway's closing down.
There is something so beautifully calm about this performance.
So walk that line, tell the world, gotta spend your whole life trying to ride that train and free your heart. It's midnight up in Harlem.
This beautiful slide guitar has so much emotion in it. I mean, it's not a slide guitar, but you know what I mean. They make the music sound like life is beautiful. So nice, really nice. Beautiful. I have to say that seeing so many instruments on the stage, I really thought this is gonna end up being a pretty chaotic song, but honestly, while listening to it, I felt relaxed, I felt happy, I felt that life is simple, life is great. I love the fact that, first of all, they did seem super laid back, but in the same time, there was no crazy fireworks, no choreography dance, no anything extreme in a way. It was just a group of band that was just performing a song in a very calm, mature music, just for the soul more than for the aesthetic of it. And I think that's what I kind of needed today, because trust me guys, when I'm telling you, I love the energy, I love the jumping around, the crazy notes, the belting, the crying, the drama, I love it, but today I realized this is exactly what I needed. So I think it just came in a very good moment. We need music like this, music for the insides, I call it. I enjoyed it very much, and you know, it was like a gift to me today, so I hope it's a gift to you as well, this reaction and the song, of course. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you on my next reaction. Have a great one. Bye.